Hi there, today we will discuss the selection tool. This is the first and very important tool of Adobe Illustrator. Let's discuss how it works. You can directly select this tool from the tool panel located in the left side of the window, or you can activate this tool by pressing the V key from the keyboard. V is the shortcut of selection tool. It does 3 to 4 major tasks in Adobe Illustrator. Let's create a shape to discuss this tool in detail. Go to the shape tool and select the rectangle shape. I have drawn two shapes on the artboard by holding and dragging. One is rectangle and the second one is circle. Now we will discuss one by one the function of this tool. Firstly, we can select any object with this tool. When we select any shape or object, the other shape or object will be deselected. The second thing which we can do with this tool is we can move the object or shape. The third thing which we can do with the selection tool is that as I select the shape, the anchor points of the selected shape will be activated or visible. If you hover over on any anchor point, you can notice easily that the cursor will be changed. You can increase or decrease the size of the shape from its anchor points with selection tool. Hold the shift key while resizing, otherwise you can see the result. The fourth function which we can do with this tool is rotation. You can rotate the shape or object from its corners. So selection tool is our basic and important tool in Adobe Illustrator. We can do different tasks with this tool, like select any object, move any object, resize any object, or rotate any object. I hope this video will be helpful for you to understand the functions of the selection tool. The next tool will be direct selection tool. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.